yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
I need help, I'm going through hell. I fake like I'm fine, but I know you can't tell. Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
I guess
You're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Minta tepuk tangannya Sioyong mana? Terima kasih. Gimana? Lanjut lagi nih? Lanjut. Minta lagu Bugis? Mana lagu Bugis? Boting Parwe ya. Karena hari ini hari spesial untuk panggilnya apa ya? Dokter Vivi. Wah, ibu dokter nih. Bersama Bang Hari. Semoga menjadi pasangan yang langgeng sampai kakek nenek. Mudah-mudahan bisa melewati banyak kerintangan yang dalam kehidupan rumah tangga. Pokoknya bahagia, pastinya berkah, makin berkah hidupnya. Amin ya rabbal alamin. Oke, buat tim Parwe turun 2 ya. Turun 2 dari nada asli. Satu lagu untuk kalian semua buat tim Parwe yang dipopulerkan oleh Haja Ika Senabawi. Hey, Selfi di sini aja, Pak. Kembali sana. Sini aja. Oke, kita joget bareng. Musiknya dikit. Musiknya ditambah dikit. Hey! Jogetnya ibu mana bu? Hati-hati anak kecil ya. Hai putri Parwe, jangan kau melukai, sinilah saja padang kamarui, sinilah saja padang kamarui. Hai putri Parwe, jangan kau cemberut, itai padamu sudah berumpai, itai padamu sudah berumpai. Ibu jogetnya mana bu? Gimana ibu jogetnya bu? Hey! Hati-hati bu, hati-hati. Selvi boleh lagi sini ya. Kita ini resona, sini nasi jemu, ambo indomu, lain bayi. Kita ini resona, sini nasi jemu, ambo indomu, lain bayi. Siang itu tuh kamu sifat kalabi, sifat tolak kamu sifat direso, sifat tolak kamu sifat direso. Hai sini selaku penampilan dong, menunggu ibu tim Parwe, menunggu ibu tim Parwe. Hey, gimana suaranya di sini? Masih semangat? Sini kasih dirimu padang.
You can see the writing on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always, they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old
Selfi sudah membuat suasana lebih hangat lagi. Dan alhamdulillah semua tamu undangan merasa terhibur tentunya ya, menyaksikan penampilan dari Selfi Yamma. Kita kasih kesempatan Selfi untuk istirahat sejenak, karena Selfi mau minum dulu.